everyone, welcome to Xiaohe's class. In this section, we will introduce the operation of H312 using PWM mode to output pulses. The configuration of PWM output needs to be realized using library instructions. Let's open the program directly to take a look. Mainly need to use to libraries. After adding the library, we can take a look. One is this IO_remap this library. The other is the PWM library. First of all, we need to use this instruction to define which Q point we want to use as the output point of the PWM pulse. The meaning of the directive can be transferred to the definition or refer to the corresponding manual. Trigger execute to configure the point function. Then here is the configuration of the Q point. Which Q point do you want to match? Just write the corresponding Q point number here. 0 to 7 corresponds to Q0.0 to Q0.7 respectively. Then the following is the function configuration. What function do you want to configure the above Q point into? It is set by function. Now we use the PWM output function, setting 25 to 28. H312 supports for PWM outputs up to 20x, and setting 25 is the PWMO output. In this program, Q0.0 is configured with the function of PWM0 output. And then there's the last function, the done bit, the error bit, and bigit. This program is configured with Q0.0 as the PWMO pulse output point. Then here is the PWM library, which has two instructions, a PWM-CTRL, and then an instruction to set the period and duty cycle. Through the CTRL command, you can set whether to enable external reset, PWM enable, directional output logic level. Begin can also be viewed here. Then the bottom instruction can set the period and duty cycle of the PWM pulse output. Download it directly to the PLC and take a look. First, trigger this command to set Q0.0 to the function of PWMO pulse output. Then use this command to enable the PWM function. The PWM enable bit can be triggered. Then you can let it output pulses according to the given period and duty cycle. For example, the duty cycle set here is 0.5. After triggering, you can let it output bursts with a duty cycle of 50%. In this way, we realize the function of H312 using PWM output pulses. That's all. Thanks for watching.